Understanding sound effects in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of sound effects. Whether you're watching a movie, playing a video game, or listening to a radio drama, sound effects play a crucial role in enhancing your experience. Let's explore what they are and why they're so important. Sound effects are artificial sounds added to enhance storytelling in various media. Unlike dialogue or music, sound effects are used to create an auditory environment that reflects the action or setting. For instance, the sound of footsteps, a door creaking, or a dog barking in a scene are all sound effects. There are several types of sound effects. Diegetic, sounds that characters in the story would hear, like a ringing phone in a scene. Non-diegetic, sounds that only the audience hears, used for dramatic effect, like suspenseful music. Foley, everyday sound effects created live or in a studio, like footsteps or rustling clothes. Synthetic, digitally created or manipulated sounds, often used in sci-fi or fantasy settings. Sound effects play a vital role in storytelling. They enhance realism. By adding everyday sounds, they make scenes more believable. Set the mood. They can create a sense of tension, excitement, or calm. Support visual elements. They complement the action seen on screen, adding depth. Guide the audience. Sound effects can direct attention to specific parts of a scene. Creating sound effects is an art. Foley artists, for example, use various objects to mimic real-world sounds. They might use coconut shells for horse hooves or crumple paper for fire crackling. In digital productions, sound designers use software to create or modify sounds, offering limitless possibilities. Sound effects are a powerful tool in storytelling, adding depth and dimension to our media experiences. They can be subtle or bold, but they always play a crucial role in bringing stories to life. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this video has been informative and enjoyable.